Whooping cough is a bacterial infectious disease that produces a dry cough intense. Symptoms: fever, sneeze, red eyes, and teary. You must rest a lot, drink liquids like water and soup, wash your hands, take medicine. You mustn't drink cool liquids and leave the house.